Thank you, Mushahid Saab. I think you've already sort of highlighted the major crisis, and that is that in this environment of polarization and high politics, there is really no space for important issues, if one can call it that. Agar isko hum, if we just look at it, you know, in terms of the information ministries, as you've said, what has the information ministry been reduced to? They've become personal spokespersons.
PPP, politics, patronage, propaganda.
Propaganda. So, you know, they've become personal spokespersons of the political parties. And in fact, even if they were spokespersons for the political parties, I would say that's still a virtue. But now they're spokespersons for individuals, more or less. All they do, all you see the information ministers doing is either holding press conferences or appearing in talk shows, where the discussion is always about issues that have really very little to do with the welfare of the people. And that's where it stops. And because of the patronage, let's be very honest, as journalists, nobody is even going to ask hard questions of the information ministry. Naukri khatre mein pad jayegi. तो कौन सवाल पूछेगा information minister से of all people? बाकियों से तो फिर भी आप पूछ लेंगे. So the information ministry is, frankly speaking, no offense to our colleagues here, and if there are some that are going to be here online also, it's a thing of the past. It's about as relevant as our entire 70-year-old ruling elite is. They all need to go home. They all need to be retired now. And also to sort of, if Mushahid Saab will allow me, I'd also like to talk about this great consensus that he spoke about. I feel that in some ways Pakistan is an over-legislated country. And what I mean by that is that our entire parliament, whether it's the provincial assemblies or the National Assembly, at some levels, they become so emasculated, which is also, I think, a word that perhaps we should rethink, considering where we are sitting. They've become so emasculated in terms of their power vis-a-vis the political party leadership and other unknown powers, that legislation has lost meaning. So there is legislation that passes through the parliament very quickly because it's being done at the behest of others. And then there is what I call the feel-good legislation, which is great legislation, which all the political parties will come together to pass without a thought for thinking how this is going to be implemented. There is absolutely, no concern, whether it's things like domestic violence, it could be issues like corporal punishment, it could be issues like child marriages. These bills are passed not because our parliamentarians actually are serious about these issues, but because it's something that they can hold up to say, look, we're doing a good job. Nobody has any idea how this is going to be implemented. There is absolutely no work done to figure out what the cost of implementing such laws will be. So they're just out there. Maybe once or twice there will be a case that will come forward because there's social media pressure. And I think the population planning or these issues also fall into similar categories. It's great to talk about. Everybody will be here in a 5-star hotel. They will give speeches about it in the parliament also. But nobody is going to figure out how it's going to work. And I think that's again where perhaps we're unfair with the information ministries, as I hope we will be today in this session. Why are we expecting them to have some kind of efficacy on an issue which is not even a policy? Mushahid Saab ne abhi jitne bhi examples diye, they're all from the 90s, because since then we've stopped talking about population control or population planning. Now it's something we occasionally hold, a nice conference about, but that's about it. Every government that has come in the last 15 years tells us that our greatest advantage is our population and we'll export it. We're not thinking about what we're going to do to, fix the country. We think, oh, we're going to get remittances. And that's why we should export our labor. We do not think about the quality of these people, whether it's malnutrition, whether it's stunting, whether it's the fact that we're not even providing them good education. But we think that we can somehow compete with our neighbors by sending our people abroad. So there is no policy, and I think that lack of policy in itself is a policy statement, and it also reveals to us what the state is thinking. There's just, I think this organized chaos that they think they're creating in the country is perhaps a goal in itself. But how are we going to fix anything, whether it's climate change? We love talking about, the unplanned construction and how that creates chaos when there's a climate disaster. But have we ever really thought about it? We have that unplanned construction because we have so many people. Where do we expect them to go? So there are all these things. At the end of the day, they're all linked to policy, population planning. But till we have a policy about it, I don't think that we can really address any of these issues. And just talking about it, the unfortunate thing is that we spend too much time talking about every good thing in this that we need in this country without following up on any of these issues. So the information ministry, frankly speaking, and I think is going to be the least of our troubles when it comes to population planning.
Thank you very much. And according to the latest figures on population, in 2025, very good. In 2025, India's population increased by 12 million. Pakistan's population this year has increased by 5.2 million, followed by Nigeria 4.8 million, and then Bangladesh 2.5 million. So these are the figures for this year.
Sorry, one last, I forgot. Please forgive me, I have a bad cold.
Yeah, no problem.
In a country where the NFC is a big issue, as we are being told these days, but the NFC is distributed on the basis of population. So really, what kind of incentives are we giving to our provincial governments to reduce population?